This is what happened when you neglect your locks. I went 6 months without a retie. Yeah, 6 months. I don't know what was I thinking. So I kept procrastinating. I kept saying to myself, I'll do it tomorrow, and tomorrow never came. It was a stage, okay? It was a stage of my life where life was lifing. I just needed a break from being put together all the time. And I stopped doing my nails. I stopped doing my hair. I just stopped because it's exhausting being a woman. Although I love it, I'm a girly to the core. But when you're a mom, a wife, house to take care of, children to take care of, yourself, and sometimes it's just too much, and you just need a break. And I've been a stay-at-home mom for 5 years now, and before that I was in the military, so it's a big transition. It was a lot, so I said, fuck it. And my locks paid the price. Everything else, I mean, your nails, they just whatever. Not shaving or not taking care of your skin doesn't matter, but your hair, it's the only thing you cannot stop, because if you stop, the consequences, it's high. Do I regret it? Oh my god, it's the worst mistake I've ever made with my locks. Seriously, not going that long without a retie do so much harm, and it cost me so much locks. I regret it because the cost is way too high, and I'm still paying for it because I have a lot of thinning edges, because I know eventually they're gonna fall, and a lot have fallen. Yes, I can reattach them, but I don't know how to do it myself, so I have to go to a salon or something and have them reattach it for me. So far I have one. I mean, this one was already short. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. I think I have one downstairs. I love my locks. I enjoy my locks a little too much for me to do that to them. This is my story, and I'm here to tell you, if you feel like procrastinating, don't do it. Don't skip your maintenances. Seriously, you can skip anything else but your hair, because your hair, once you neglect your hair, it start breaking, and you don't want that. Learn from me. And I'm also here to remind you that locks are low maintenance, not no maintenance. So take care of your locks so they can flourish. Even though they are flourishing, but I'm still fixing, repairing the damage of 6 months. It's a lot, and it's not just like you pay the price once. No, it's a continue paying as I can show you right here. You see this one right here? It's gonna, like, look at how thin hair has gotten. And there's two, there's more, and so yeah, I'm here to tell you, don't do it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.